Now next, onto the eyes, Maxine Weatherby and Temirlan YERZHANOV. They represent Kazakhstan, 18 and 23 years old respectively. They were 16th after the rhythm dance, and they come here with a personal best of 78.32. They need to exceed that by about 15 points if they're going to take the lead. This is Maxine Weatherby and Temirlan YERZHANOV of Kazakhstan. Well, Maxine Weatherby and Temirlan YERZHANOV, who were the third to skate here in Group 1, second at last year's Kazakhstan National Championships. They're coached by John Carr and Yevgeny Platov, and they're making their first appearance here at the Four Continents. It's a steep learning curve for them, thrown in at the deep end. But it will be invaluable experience, no doubt about that, for these youngsters who are skating here to Halo and Torn. An interesting lift there from the couple representing Kazakhstan. Yet another medieval style soundtrack, which seems to be the order of the day so far. We've had 3 from 3 thus far in this free dance competition. And a dramatic ending as well there for Maxine Weatherby and Temirlan YERZHANOV. Maxine based alongside Temirlan in West Palm Beach in the USA. Temirlan from Almaty, Maxine originally from China. And here they are, just moving back onto the ice. There's absolute silence in the stadium. It's a very strange atmosphere. partly due to absences due to the health scare, but also due to it being lunchtime, and also the other factor that they are the early starters in this competition. So not easy for them in these conditions, but they've gone out there and they've done their very best. Their previous best of 78.32 is their target to beat. I think it's unlikely they're going to score enough to move ahead of the Japanese who preceded them onto the ice. But they move away to the kiss and cry. And Chantel Kerry and Andrew Dodds, the second of the Australian couples, now move out onto the ice to warm up. So we'll have a score very soon for Maxine Weatherby and Temirlan YERZHANOV as we look back now at some of the key moments from their free program. Well, scores coming in now for Maxine Weatherby and Temirlan YERZHANOV. 81.94 are the scores. And that means that's an improvement of some 3.6 points. So they've done a good job here, 132.27. And that means that they've improved their previous best total score by some 7 points. Now, I just want to say a few words. We've had